Bareroot fruit trees and grapevines at Walmart. We've got the seedless flame, which is what we came for. And the seedless Thompson. Blackberries. These are the Bareroot plants that we brought home today from Walmart. The seedless Thompson grape, the seedless flame grape, and the bleeding heart plant. All these three were on our plant wish list, and I can now check it off. Now let me show you what we do when we bring home Bareroot plants, or even if we get plants in the mail. So these come in these plastic bags. So I'm going to leave them in water overnight, and normally I would take them out of the packaging, but because they look the same, you can't tell which grapevine is what. I'm just going to leave them in the packaging, open up the bottom, and then put them in a bucket. Just make enough of a hole in the bag that the water will come in, and then look where the paper is. So we're just going to put a little bit of water in and soak them overnight, and tomorrow I'll plant them. Just a little bit of water, not too much. You don't want to get up the paper. You really do not too much. That's it. That's all we're gonna do. Soak them overnight, and then tomorrow we're gonna plant these.